Hello everyone, welcome to Guru Abacus. Now our Niharika will go to solve the one digit addition sums on the kit. Now let's start how to solve it. Add 2, add 1. What is the answer, Niharika? Very good. Next, set the kit. Very good. Add 3, add 1. What is the answer? Very good. Next, add 2, add 2. Very good. Add 7. How to take 7? 5, 6, 7. Add 1. What is the answer, Niharika? Very good. Next, add 8. Add 1. What is the answer, Nihu?
9.
Very good. So, this is how our kids solve the sums of one digit on Abacus. Thank you.